How's she going out there, all you sexy ladies? Once again, I'm Ned from Nev's Tech Bits, and today we're going to take a look at this heated vest. This is one of the cheaper, more affordable ones that you can get from China for like 20 bucks, I'm pretty sure I paid for this, and that's with free shipping. We got some of the best English here. Plug is removable charger. Plug in removable charger, switch on the removable charger, press the chest temperature control switch for 3 seconds. Anyways, I find that some batteries definitely work a lot better with this one than others. I got, everyone's got these batteries. These are the ones you get at the dollar store all the time, and you can get them for super cheap. And they seem to take the same kind of batteries that, that e-cigarettes take. Anyways, I can't get that type to work. I have to use this type. This one's supposed to be 1,350 milliamp hour, and I'm pretty sure this one, I bet they told me it was 2, but it definitely wasn't. Yeah, this one was 19. Definitely was, but actually, let's see if it actually works. Let's plug her in. Turn her on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Nope, doesn't work. Maybe too much draw. I don't know. It just doesn't work. These ones will work, though. But seriously, we're going to have something like this. You better get a good, big battery to use it. Come on, there we go. You can see how it's glowing red there. Let me turn some lights off so maybe you can see that red a little bit better. People will see you coming with this. I'll tell you what, Bobby. And this actually warms you up relatively well. One of these batteries will warm you up for maybe about an hour. Maybe actually more like 45 minutes, but you can usually feel closer to the pocket. The battery itself definitely gives off a lot of heat while you do this. And I swear there's a pad right back here. I'm going to do a teardown in a sec so we can see exactly where all the pads are. This is an extra large, and I am a large. Maybe a little bit on the higher side of large. And this thing is just not comfortable. My gut, especially after I had a nice meal, my gut just does not stay in this thing. So if you are a large, get an extra large. Remember that a lot of the times when they sell these things, they're selling them based off Asian sizes. And over here, we try to fool ourselves and tell us that we're not really as fat as we actually are. We know how big we are. So you can see right here, we have the heating pads right here. I can't feel a thing. Maybe it takes a little bit more time than that, actually. You know, let me just pause this. I'll give it a few minutes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so the battery pocket is definitely the hottest thing in this operation. We have a pad here, we got a pad up here. Of course, we got a pad on this other side. Now, the battery that you use will determine the strength of the heat. When I plug this directly into the wall with USB, again, plugged directly in, it gets real warm real quick. If you press and hold, it'll turn it off. Press and hold, turn it on, and that's like half speed, quarter speed, and full speed, full heat. Seriously though, this is super nice. It's polyester, 20 bucks shipped, not bad. I just wish it was more my size. Alright, so here you can see I made some incisions up, down, and around. That's what it looks like on the business side, the button side. Of course, I left it on while I was doing this because I'm level 9 intelligence, clearly. In here is where we have the battery pocket. Oh, one thing I want to show you is how cheaply, I guess I can't say cheaply, for 20 bucks, how effectively they just cut a hole in it and they kind of burned it. I wonder if they did that with a hot knife so it doesn't breathe. Basically, polyester is just plastic, right? So it doesn't breathe very well, but then again, I wonder if we got any cotton in there at all. Really, I wonder. So the button's been sewn in. Come on down. We got a tether over here. Coming on over. These hot pads. Actually, I'm buying a bunch of these hot pads for about $1.50 each off eBay. I'm still waiting for those to come in. We got a hot pad coming up there, and we'll have another hot pad coming up here, and then we'll have one more over here. It's just the same thing, wired up. Actually, I think I might keep this so I don't want to tear it all down too far because it's really nice. I like it, honestly. It would be better if it would actually fit around my gut, but we had some Chinese sizes here. Remember, if you're ever buying clothes off eBay, if it's free shipping from Hong Kong, bump things up a size or two. You'll never get a perfect fit. That's just how she goes. That's just how she goes. Actually, I lied. I want to take this thing apart a little more now and see what's inside. I bet my ex-seamstress girlfriend's going to be seeing this and be like, oh, that's doing such a horrible job. Did I teach you nothing? No, you taught me nothing. I was only there because you made good crab cakes. Delicious cakes, Marie. Seriously, though, everyone should have a seamstress as a girlfriend at least once in their life. Man, those ladies know how to dress you. Hi, Zoe. That's my daughter coming down to see what I'm up to. She was supposed to be upstairs making apple crisp, but I guess she decided not to.
Daddy?
Hi, Zoe.
Daddy?
Another one right there. Yep, they all look about the same.
Daddy?
They're all put together relatively well, relatively the same. I gotta say, for the money I spent, it wasn't too bad. Zoe, shh, Daddy's doing a video. Just give me a second, okay? Anywho, there you go. Very nice thing to have. The higher size you get, the more they'll charge you. But still very interesting. Very interesting. Actually, maybe I should give you a look. I'm not sure if I showed you this one yet. KRMJ-001. 5 volt, 2 amp is what it wants. That's probably more than I put it through when I plug it in directly to the USB. But who cares? It's fun stuff. Anyways, that's it from me, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciate it. And have a good one, folks.